Guest trainings, summits, and bundles offer a steady path for audience growth. But many creators treat these collaborations as single, isolated events, stopping completely. To generate continuous invites, you need the Reliability Flywheel. It operates on 3 actions: promoting on time, submitting clean assets, and acting as a low-stress partner. To start right now, you need 3 things: an accepted invitation, host promotional materials, and a blank tracking calendar. By setting up these logistics in advance, you stop hunting for new opportunities in direct messages. You become the dependable partner that hosts naturally prioritize for their next event. Step 1 is mapping your timeline. Before you write a single promotional email or design a landing page, open your collab calendar. Start by logging the official event dates. Note exactly when the summit opens to the public, when it closes, and the specific window you are expected to share it with your audience. Next, input the host's strict deadlines. Note the exact days your freebie, your headshot, your bio, and your workable links are due. Look at this calendar grid. If the host requires your asset on a Friday, you move backward 48 hours to Wednesday. That Wednesday becomes your new buffer date. From this point forward, you treat that Wednesday as your absolute, non-negotiable internal deadline. Creators rarely fail at collaborations because their content is bad. They fail because they lose track of the email thread, miss these target dates, and end up scrambling at the last minute. Operating strictly from this buffer-driven system guarantees your host receives their deliverables early. You bypass the need for daily motivation and let the calendar dictate your workflow. Now we move to Pillar 1, promotion. If you wait until the morning the event opens to your prior content, you'll either rush the process or forget to do it entirely. If you struggle with marketing tasks, establish a strict baseline using the 2-email plan. This illustrates the exact delivery sequence. The first email sends on the start date, explaining the value and providing your tracking link. The second email goes out 24 hours before closing, serving as a final, direct reminder to register. When building these emails, rely on the swipe copy and graphics provided by the host. Using their materials keeps tracking clean and ensures your messaging aligns with their broader campaign. Log into your email provider right now and schedule those 2 messages. Treat the task with the same finality as setting up an automated bill payment. Pre-scheduling ensures the host receives the visibility they expect, on time, without requiring any manual intervention from you on launch day. Pillar 2 is the asset itself. To earn trust from a new audience, the freebie you submit must be completely bundle-ready. Look at this direct comparison. On the left is an asset that demands action before delivering value, forcing an attendee to book a call. On the right is a bundle-ready asset that immediately solves a specific problem. Focus on providing a quick, accessible win. A simple calendar template, a practical checklist, or a highly focused 15-minute mini-training are perfect examples. Even a perfect template causes problems if the URL fails. Broken links force the host to drop what they are doing and troubleshoot your submission. Before submitting, follow this exact flowchart. Copy your URL, open a private incognito browser to bypass your saved logins, and personally verify that the end user can successfully download the file. Once verified, submit your workable links and your asset on your internal 48-hour buffer date. By submitting a fully tested, high-value asset 2 days early, you eliminate the host's technical anxiety and firmly position yourself as a safe, dependable bet. Pillar 3 requires you to establish a highly responsive, low-stress communication protocol for the duration of the event. Commit to replying to all host emails within 12 to 24 hours. Even a brief response stating you will handle a task the next day removes uncertainty from their plate. If an attendee complains about accessing your material, fix the broken link immediately. Do not waste time arguing about whose software caused the error. Hosts are managing massive logistics. They prioritize re-inviting the partners who actively lower their operational stress over the ones with the flashiest marketing. Let's review the setup. Your calendar is mapped out. Your automated promotional emails are scheduled. Your verified assets are submitted. These administrative steps are basic, but mastering them is precisely how you separate your workflow from the chaotic habits of the average creator. This diagram shows the result. Completing these 3 steps reliably generates momentum. That momentum leads to organic referrals, ejecting a steady stream of new invitations directly into your inbox. Download the Collab Calendar template right now to map your timeline. If you need dedicated support meeting these deadlines, consider joining the Empire Creator Lab or utilizing CJ the Collab Coach. Professional reliability functions like compound interest. By systematically executing on the details, you turn a single collaboration into a self-sustaining engine for long-term growth.